especially your Chicago-based flight crew, we'd like to thank you for flying the friendly skies today. We wish you a pleasant stay here in Akron or wherever your travels may take you.
Making Money with Prestley Snipes, episode 15. We out here in Akron. I just got out here yesterday. We got some distressed properties under contract, and we on our way to go check out one of them. This lady owes a lot of money. She's a tax delinquent lead that we found. She owes about $6,100 in taxes, and I think the house is in pretty bad shape. So we're on our way over there to go check it out. Okay, yeah, the house is right around the corner from here. I like this market because I actually know this market. I lived out here for a while, so I know what's going on. I know which areas are good, which areas are bad. And I just have a much better sense of what's going on out here. I started out the real estate business in Phoenix in a market I knew nothing about. When I moved to Phoenix, I didn't even know how to get around, which side of town was which side of town was this or that. But I know exactly what's going on out here. This is actually the town where I closed my first virtual wholesale deal. And so yeah, we're about to pull up on this house right now and see what condition it's in. I got the combination of the lockbox from the owner. So we're about to go check it out. You know, owner, she's an elderly woman. She just got out the hospital actually. So we're trying to get her a nice amount of money for this is the house right here, right? This is it right here. It looks like they just put a new notice on the door. Let me make a U-turn real quick. That driveway, the trash cans are blocking. Hold on, let me put my hazard lights. Hold on a second. These people go. Yeah, this is the house right here. I'm about to find somewhere to park. Yeah, I was just here yesterday. I did a drive-by on it, but I didn't really get a chance to check it out. But I didn't notice this. It looks like a new sign got posted on the house. So we're gonna see what this is talking about. But this is how we doing it. You know what I mean? Like I'm on the ground now. I'm not doing this. The virtual stuff is cool. It says parking for customers only. Let me in and out real quick. Just keep the camera rolling. So we're on the west side of Akron, and yeah, we're checking out these distressed properties. So this is this house you may be buying. Let's check this out. Department of Neighborhood Assistance. Comply with below orders by 11/2/20 unless otherwise noted. Tuck point chimney. Have exterior doors and windows made weather tight and put in a good state of repair. Replace porch, floor. This is a lot. Look at all these violations. Look, yo, look at all these. No, look at me. Look at all these code violations. It smells like piss over here too. Let me get the lockbox. Let me get the keys. Oh, don't let them see the code. Don't let them see the code. I don't want everybody running up in my spot. Nah, keep it on me. I just don't want everybody seeing the code. You know what I'm saying? Ain't running up in my. You know what I'm saying? Don't be messing with. Don't be trying to take my deals. Okay, we got the key right here. We about to see what's going on here. Hey, how you doing? You live on this street? No? Hello? Is anybody here? As you can see, this place is a dump. You got sheetrock hanging from the ceiling. It's all type of code violations. I'm gonna have to talk to this lady about this. She got a lot of code violations. There's one on the door, too, right here. This is my house right now, so I'm taking these notices off, figuring out. But yeah, we got. It says please remove tires, broken fence, loose trash, and any other miscellaneous debris from property. Now she was supposed to comply to this by last month. It's already September now. Nah, this is the new one. This says 9-3. Maybe this was on the other day. Let's check out this house. It smells in here. Some baseball cards. Maybe one of them cards is worth some money down there. Maybe we can get a card that's worth something. Maybe we get like a Michael Jordan rookie card or something. Yeah, it stinks in here. This place needs a total gut. There ain't no fixing these floors. Look at these floors. Like, this, everything needs to be gutted in here. She was talking about she wanted $15,000 for this house, man. The first house I bought was way nicer than this, and I got it for only $10,000. Look at this bathroom. This is horrible. I don't even want to walk in here. Yeah, this is horrible. New tub, a whole new bathroom. Look at this mirror. It got fucking duct tape on it. Come on, let's go upstairs and see what. Yeah, I can't do. I don't know if I can do $15,000 for this. She already owes $6,100 in back taxes. Hello. Hopefully ain't no squatters up in here. This is crazy. I see why. See, sometimes people be having houses that they can't sell. Sometimes someone's house is bought for tax sale, and people still won't buy it because it's in such bad shape. This looks like a tear down. It looks like I'm gonna walk in here and fall through the floor. Like, imagine you catch me. That's gonna be good. Imagine you catch me. I walk in and I fall through the floor. This is the bedroom. I guess this was the kids' room. I see a little baby sock right here. This is a small kids' room. This floor feels like it's about to fall. Was this a bathroom? You got like a sink? Was this another apartment? Maybe this is a whole different apartment. Maybe this is a duplex. Yeah, this is a dump, man. I can't wait to get out of here. This window is open. This place some rats. This place is a dump, man. Yeah, I think I'm offering this lady $1,000 for this house. Cause I mean, with the $6,100 in back taxes and $1,000, that's $7,100. That's more than this house is worth. It kind of smells like a dog been in here. It stinks, man. Let's go see what the basement looking like. Is this another bathroom? Is this the same bathroom we just walked? This place is a dump. But there's no point in going in the basement. We know what this looks like. Let's go outside and check this shit out. How much you think I should give her for this house?
$50.
$50? Yeah, I was gonna say $1,000. That might be too much. Ooh, you smell that? Sounds like a dead animal. Let's see what's going on in his backyard. These are those tires. These are those tires that the code violation department was talking about. You can't leave tires outside of your house. You got leaves growing on the house. That's when you know it's old. You gotta cut the lawn on your house. Yeah, we out here in Akron buying distressed properties. You know, we had to take it out of Phoenix. Make Money with Prestley Snipes, episode 15. We about to fix some properties up in Akron. I'm about to take you by some properties that I bought and sold already out here. And yeah, we on the ground, man. We did virtual first season. Now we on the ground out here. So stay tuned. We're gonna check out some more properties. Hopefully we can get this house for like $1,000. Stay tuned. Are you talking about the one in McBee or are you talking about the one in Malvern?
In Rector.
Rector. Oh, the one in Rector. Yeah, that one's still available. What were you saying? Is it a 2-1 or a 3-1? Is that what you said?
Yeah, is that what do we got going on there?
I believe it's a 2-1. It may be a 3-1. I gotta check, but I believe that's a 2-1.
Okay. Sal, do you happen to be an investor by chance?
Yes, I'm an investor.
Okay, me too. So, what is it? It's been on sale for quite a while. What's going on?
Well, it's just in an area that's just not that hot. So, sometimes you gotta wait 60, 90 days for a house to sell. Especially when you want to get top dollar for a distressed property.
Yeah. Hey, is it, what's it like inside? Is it livable or is it need some help?
livable. It just needs to be cleaned out. We actually got a cleaner over there last week, so we're getting it in a position to sell. It's tenant occupied right now. It's owner occupied right now, but she's ready to go as soon as she can.
You know, I'm like you. I talk to so many people. I forget where I'm at sometimes.
Yeah.
All right, hey Sam, let me hang on to your number. Let me do a little more research on the area, and maybe I'll get back. Are you at your bottom dollar? I know that you just dropped it recently. Is that pretty much the bottom for you?
Yeah, to tell you the truth, I was trying to get her at 8,000. To tell you the truth, and that my price was 15, but someone called her. One of these wholesalers called her and offered her more money than the house was worth. Made a sight unseen offer, and these guys kind of. I understand the wholesaling business, but sometimes these guys screw things up for me because they make these sight unseen offers and it exceeds the expectations of what the property. They don't even see the property. You know what I mean? So they're throwing these blind offers, and now the seller's like, "Oh, I want 15," but I've had it at 15 for sale for the past two months, and I haven't got many fish biting. It seems like the price is more like 7,000, 8,000. Maybe if I'm selling it, that's my price, and I go down to 13 or 12. But I don't know about 15 where we're at right now. She's been a tough cookie, and obviously she wants the most she can get for a house. But you have to go by the numbers. You have to go by what the market says.
Yeah, exactly. That's like these homeowners sticking with the Zillow ARV and thinking that's gospel. Yeah,
and it's like the internet, the gift and the curse. It's like it's good on one end, and on the other side, it misleads a lot of people.
Yeah. Hey Sal, I'm down here in BB, man. You know where BB is at, just north of Jacksonville, north of Little Rock.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's where I'm at, man. Let me do some looking here. Thanks for taking my call, and maybe I'll get back to you.
Okay, and like I said, if you're a buyer, I do a lot of deals all over. So if not that one, I may have something else that you may be interested in. So I'll lock your number in. If you can, text me your email and your full name so I can lock you in and put you in my database. And if not, like I said, if not this one, maybe I can email you some other deals I come across in the area. How's that sound?
Okay, sounds good. Thanks, Sal. Have a good day, bud.
Okay, thanks a lot. Oh yeah, so my phone blows up all day. I got like 10 houses for sale right now, and I'm not trying to say that to brag, but because some of these houses aren't gonna sell. That's one of these houses that I got under contract, and I'm having a hard time selling. But yeah, man, we're doing this virtual thing, and we're on the ground out here. We're in Akron, Ohio, so we're gonna keep riding around. We're gonna find some other properties, and we're gonna go talk with some sellers and buyers, and we're gonna show you the process. But yeah, season 2, Making Money with Prestley Snipes. We on the ground. We out here on the streets. We'll see what happens. Stay tuned.